Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Mac. So go ahead to your browser and just type Microsoft Teams on Mac, or you can head over to your App Store or Google Play to download it. Let me show you both. Right? On your Google browser, if you typed Microsoft Teams, you're going to go ahead to your Apple Store, right? Where you can download Microsoft Teams. If you have macOS 14.0 or above, you're going to be able to access Microsoft Teams. If not, unfortunately, you can skip over and do the next step, right? Or the second method. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead to the official website of Microsoft, right? Where you can download Microsoft Teams for Mac or desktop, and you can just hit download Teams for Mac. And you can see that I already downloaded it, right? So all I gotta do now is just press it, right? And on Mac, it says here, you'll be guided through the steps necessary to install the software. Just continue here, right? And you're gonna just select the destination, right? And as you can see right here, it says Microsoft Teams cannot be installed on this desk. The contents of this desk can't be changed, right? So select your desks, right? Select your destination basically and continue. And of course, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just drag the Microsoft Teams app to applications. Once the copying finishes, right? Once the copying finishes, you're gonna just go ahead to Finder and head over to application on the side panel. You're gonna find Microsoft Teams here. Once you just drag the Microsoft Teams to applications folder, and you're gonna wait for a few moments, obviously, to copy the data and everything needed to install Microsoft Teams, and you're gonna be able to just download it, right? So basically, that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.